So you have to check out this really cool game that we added to our family fun nights. So this is basically like a giant Connect 4, but it's actually a 4-in-1 playset. So you have your Connect 4 game, you have a basketball and a hoop, you have a golf club and 2 golf balls that it comes with, and then you actually have a ring toss on the other side too. It is so much fun for all ages, for my older kids, even adults love playing it. It's just a really fun game that you can go ahead and bring everyone together and you know everyone's gonna have a good time. Now we've been using this for everything from play dates outside to inside on rainy days to keep the kids busy and off those screens. It's really nice too because it's super sturdy and I love the round edges, especially with lots of little hands playing on it. Now even though it is nice and sturdy and durable, it's super lightweight, which makes it really easy to go ahead and carry it to your backyard and play too. Now what I really love too is that with the Connect 4 game, I love how large the pieces are. It's a really nice change up compared to like the one that you would use on the table. It's just so easy for them to go ahead and just slide them right in here. And when they're done, you're ready to release them. You just go ahead and squeeze the bottom, push them over, and they fall into this net, which makes it really convenient too for cleanup and to restock it whenever you want to play again. Now this has been so much fun, but I love too that it's actually a little educational for my kids. It gives them strategy for the game. It works on that hand-eye coordination and it helps bring them together and lets them work as a team, which is just so much fun without them even knowing. So if you're looking for something that brings people together and keeps kids active and off those screens, this one is absolutely perfect. It's big, it's colorful, it's super easy to store, and it's just a great way to make memories with your friends and family. I absolutely love how it turns any day into a little party. Thanks for watching.